Hello and welcome back. My name's Kenjilo and welcome back to Kenji's Garage. Right, so today I have the M2 Competition with me, and I would like to actually do a short video of the Rogue Downpipe on this car. This car has nothing else, no tuning, no flash, no plug and play. It just has a Rogue Downpipe. And some people are spending quite a bit of money on Akrapovic Exhaust and Remus Exhaust, etc, etc. But for me, I think the Rogue Downpipe, or any downpipe, catalyst, decat, whatever you want to call it, does the trick. You don't actually have to spend so much money, but obviously that's personal preference. So, you know, you can disagree with me, and if you do disagree with me or agree with me, put it on the comment, we can have a discussion. What I'm going to do obviously today now is I'm just going to go on eco mode, on sport and sport plus mode, and you can hear the difference from the back, the front, and I'll probably also do it inside as well. So you can decide yourself if the Rogue Downpipe is good enough. And I did do a video on the standard exhaust, also on the Eco Sport Sport Plus. I don't think I can link it on top. If I can, I will link it on top. If not, it'll be in the description on the bottom. So you can actually kind of hear the standard of this car, and then obviously with a Rogue Downpipe. I have a car that has a full Akrapovic exhaust on from the dealership. And unfortunately, we can only do that when he comes back from Dubai. And that will be month end, towards the month end. I'll release that video once we've done the video. So you can also hear a Rogue Downpipe M2 Competition with a fully Akrapovic exhaust competition. Some I like the downpipe only. Some say, you know, it's good enough. It takes away that tinny noise. And some people say you need the full Akrapovic exhaust to actually take away the tinny noise. But for me personally, I like this setup and it's perfect. Hope you guys enjoy the video. Please subscribe, like the video, and give me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Guys, so that's the end of the video, quick and short. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and we can just have a discussion. Guys, also I'm trying to get to 2,000 subscribers before month end, hopefully. Still a very new YouTuber, so please show some support. Click the like button, subscribe to my channel as well if you like the content, obviously. Not forcing you guys, but yeah, it will be appreciated. Thanks guys, see you guys next time. Cheers.